step back, please.
At times, shoutdowns invoked law enforcement to remove protesters. But it was never uncertain who was in control. Once it became known members of the National Socialist Movement, which calls itself a white rights organization, were coming to Little Leith, law enforcement started hearing about protests and paid attention.
We start hearing that type of information, and that's going to happen. It's going to turn into a protest. That's how law enforcement gets involved.
That's because law enforcement can dictate the time, place, and manner in which a protest takes place. So for crowd control, Grant County reached out.
The expected crowds that they were hearing and getting, the sheriff requested more assistance.
The result was 17 troopers, 14 emergency response team members, 4 Mercer County, 2 Stark County, and 4 Grant County Sheriff's Department officers, a total of 41.
People could come and go as they wish. It's just that we wanted to keep the two sides separate.
What's louder?
Which they did.
I mean, everybody was very well behaved for the most part. I mean, other than some yelling back and forth.
While law enforcement stepped in to remove protesters, they report no arrests or assaults. So is North Dakota done with the National Socialist Movement and protesters? And will Little Leith return to normal?
Just from the the background that I'm aware of, I think this is going to be ongoing, and it's going to have to go into the court system to get resolved.
For KX News, Barbara Sharp.